Spring is right around the corner, and it's a great time to lose weight so you can fit into that swimsuit. I'm Tess, and today I will show you how to make a magic cabbage soup that will help you shed those extra pounds. You may have heard of this cabbage soup diet that will help you lose up to 7 to 10 pounds in 1 week. It is a short-term diet and body detox where you can eat as much of this delicious cabbage soup that you want, along with other fresh vegetables, fruits, and plenty of water. Basically, it's a low-calorie, low-fat, high-fiber diet where it takes the body more calories to process than what you consume. There are many variations of this diet on the internet, and just a disclaimer that you should check with your physician before starting any kind of diet. With that said, let's get started. In my soup pot on medium heat, I have 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. This is 6 large cloves of minced garlic, and garlic has a lot of great antibiotic properties. 1 bay leaf, and 1 teaspoon each of oregano and basil. 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and I think this really adds a nice background heat. A pinch of salt and black pepper. Giving that a good stir, bringing to a simmer, and cooking for 2 to 3 minutes. You can really change up this soup with different seasonings that you like. Make it the way you like it, because you're going to be eating a lot of this soup for 1 week. And now for the vegetables. I have 1 cup of diced onion, 3 stalks of diced celery, 2 large diced carrots, and 1 small diced red bell pepper, giving that a good stir. This is 1 medium diced head of cabbage. Cabbage has a lot of antitoxins and anti-inflammatory properties. This seems like a lot of cabbage, but it will cook down in volume. I'm adding in 6 cups of homemade beef broth. If using canned or box broth, just be careful of the salt content. You could also use water, chicken or vegetable broth, and I've also seen people use V8 juice. Giving that a good stir, bringing to a simmer, covering and cooking for 30 to 40 minutes or until the cabbage is tender. And the soup is done. Remember to fish out the bay leaf, and I like to add a handful of fresh chopped parsley at the end. 1 more stir, and it's ready. Not only is this a great diet and detox soup, but it's quick and easy, you can cook it all in 1 pot, and it tastes delicious. This magical diet cabbage soup recipe is a great starter for shedding those pounds for summer. I hope you give it a try. Good luck and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love.